In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a notebook with someone within your team members in NotebookLM. So let's say you are in my NotebookLM account in here and I've logged in and I have so many notebooks that I have created and I'm interested in sharing a particular notebook with someone. So let's say I select this notebook and while I'm in it, you can see the share button over here at the top right. So once you click on share, you have the option now to add people or groups. Okay, you can click and you can add them by email. Okay, let's say I want to add, and then you can see right now I've just added. So you can change the control over here. You can make him an editor or remove access directly, or you can even come over here. Anyone with the link can do something. Okay, so you can say anyone with this link and you can make it public as well. So you can copy anyone with the link, you can copy this link and then he has the option. Okay, anyone on the internet with a link can view this. Okay, or you can make it restricted. Only people with access can open this link, and then you can make it public, which means allow anyone to discover this note on behalf on NotebookLM and the web. So this is now public, but let's say anyone with the link, and then you can copy the link directly and share with people. So for anyone at the other end, if he copies the link and then he pastes it, he's going to have access to that particular notebook that we are talking about. So you can see he has access. So you need access directly. So this viewer access, so you can request for viewer access or editor access if you want to have editor access, and then that particular notebook will be added to your platform. So let's say this Epic AI, you can have it as an editor access, and then you can send this directly. And at the other end in your email, you can see access request for NotebookLM. So you can see view request, and you can give viewer request, you can grant access, so the person can now have access to this directly. Once we paste, he is going to have the access to edit directly. He can have charts and you can go ahead and edit and do many other things directly from here. Okay, so you can check to notify the person via the email that an access had been granted to you, or you can choose to keep quiet. Okay, so in any case, this is how to share your NotebookLM with your team members in any way possible. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.